Hello guys. So once again I'm here at EURUSD and I'm looking at two scenarios, right? We could have some kind of flat here, a corrective flat, running flat, broke the top, and this here might actually be going up right now. Or the other scenario I'm looking for is a more complex structure, whereas this piece here might be a correction for this impulse and we're coming down lower before a possible up move. So let's take a look at the 15-minute. Looking at it here, I'm looking at, actually wait a second, back to the 1 hour. I just want to look at volatility is quite down right now, and the volume is also low, so it doesn't look like an up move is coming right about now. Like the market environment, right? Conditions are looking like it's a slow market. Here we see that, you see this? There was some buying opportunities right here, but right now it's kind of hard to say. I'm looking at the structure like this, you know, we have VWAP and this is the open, the daily open, where price opened at. So if we can hold this area and price maybe starts bouncing off this area, then I'm definitely looking for a buy. But if we start breaking down, then I'll be patient and wait, because as I said, I'm looking at two scenarios: either a continuation right now from this point to come up and to complete this structure, or perhaps we're looking at something more complex. And right here, you know, price could come down, could bounce, or could come lower and give us a bigger structure. So I'm not gonna do anything if price breaks out of this area, but if it starts bouncing off VWAP and maybe and the open, then I'll be looking for a buy. So time to be patient and time to observe what the price action will do, and then we'll make our move. Okay guys, thanks for watching.